and just how no words to say. From the office to the freeway, yeah, let it fade away. What's up, BikersBoyz of L.A? We ride smart, we don't play. From downtown lights to Malibu way. Ain't the grit steady, we glide that way. BikersBoyz of L.A. I horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold away, yeah. Keep it pain, keep it safe. Stuck in the office chair too tight. Negative and at your dope overnight. Hip locked up, mind on pause. Car keep kicking, breaking laws. Damn it, click, jab it on. Problem stay when the bike is gone. Honda, Suzuki, don't out of the brand. Iron horse, yeah, I'm taking the man. Downtown LA, late night cruise. Eyes on mirrors, fleeting moves. We don't waste goals, we don't flex style. Why we respect, stand out from the crowd. What's up, BikersBoyz of L.A? We ride smoke, we don't play. From downtown lights to Malibu way. Angel Chris, yeah, we got that way. BikersBoyz of L.A. I horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold away, yeah. Keep it clean, keep it safe. Angel Chris spirals, lane just right. Mountains talking, the angels bite. Rock canyon bands, man, I could breeze. Drive smooth, body at ease. We get clean, stop, get tight. That for show, just skill in sight. Watch the streets, so my body falls. Dirty ends moving through concrete walls. Beverly Hills, don't go through. No drama, just a bit of you. LA nights, Saint it break. Ride for life, not see what there's. Two wheels keep for life, can't say. Islands first and fire away. When the world too loud, mind too tight. The whole puts everything back wide. What's up, BikersBoyz of L.A? We ride small, we don't pay. Downtown lights to Malibu way. Angel Chris, there we glide that way. BikersBoyz of L.A. And horse stress goes away. Two wheels, one cold, one way, yeah. Ride free, ride smart, every day. Engine cool, hell it off. Hearts could beat, tan shit off. By the barn, a villain. Respect the ride, respect the road.